Question 1. The Central Pollution Control Board released its annual e-waste data. As per the 2023-24 report, which state accounted for the highest e-waste generation? Options are A. Maharashtra, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Karnataka, D. Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer is A. Maharashtra. Question 2. India's Border Security Force recently announced recruitment across several units. What year was the BSF established and under which ministry does it operate? Options are A. 1965, Ministry of Defense, B. 1958, Ministry of Defense, C. 1965, Ministry of Home Affairs, D. 1954, Ministry of Home Affairs. The correct answer is C. 1965, Ministry of Home Affairs. Question 3. The Global E-Waste Monitor 2024 issued significant insights. According to the report, how many tons of e-waste did India generate in 2023? Options are A. 3 million tons, B. 5 million tons, C. 3.88 million tons, D. 2.5 million tons. The correct answer is C. 3.88 million tons. Question 4. Exercise Drone Prahar was launched as a collaborative defense drill. Which Indian force conducted this exercise and what was its objective? Options are A. Indian Army, Jungle Warfare, B. NSG, Anti-Terror Drone Simulation, C. CRPF, Urban Response, D. BSF, Surveillance and Drone Deployment. The correct answer is D. BSF, Surveillance and Drone Deployment. Question 5. The National Green Tribunal has reviewed air quality data. What level of PM10 was found in Delhi for the year 2024? Options are A. 85 micrograms per cubic meter, B. 60 micrograms per cubic meter, C. 91 micrograms per cubic meter, D. 72 micrograms per cubic met. Correct answer is C. 91 micrograms per cubic meter. Question 6. IMD released rainfall deviation data for monsoon 2025. Which state recorded the highest positive deviation? Options are A. Kerala, B. Orissa, C. Bihar, D. Assam. The correct answer is B. Orissa. Question 7. India's Environment Ministry announced stricter norms for industrial waste. What percentage of e-waste processing target was set for 2025? Options are A. 60%, B. 75%, C. 50%, D. 80%. The correct answer is A. 60%. Question 8. Hockey India announced national selections for an international tournament. What was the team size declared for the 2025 Hockey Championship? Options are A. 20 players, B. 18 players, C. 25 players, D. 22 players. The correct answer is B. 18 players. Question 9. The CPCB reported on PM10 levels across major Indian cities. Which city ranked as the most polluted in the 2024 PM10 index? Options are A. Gurugram, B. Kanpur, C. Delhi, D. Ghaziabad. The correct answer is D. Ghaziabad. Question 10. India's National Disaster Response Force, NDRF, completed a major simulation. What was the focus of their recent exercise in July 2025? Options are A. Flood rescue, B. Chemical leak response, C. Earthquake drill, D. Drone-based rescue operations. The correct answer is D. Drone-based rescue operations.